Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how we can set battery charging limit. So if you have that options, first thing you need to do is go to your settings, click on settings, and now search for the battery right over here. Click on it, it will load up, and now you can see here some options. So current mode, we have balance, battery saver, ultra battery. um, Now if you have that option, under the battery protection or additional features, you will have options that you set up this charging limit. So I don't have that, but under this, or it's probably named differently, you will have some options to set charging limit. Here I just have that cache clears when device is locked, and also shuttle power off, power on. And battery protection, I have just temperature and number of charge today. So, but if you have a better phone, you will have also options to set charging limit. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.